This video will introduce AI-driven ICT integration for NEP 2020, focusing on reimagining learning, teaching, research, and extension. It emphasizes that AI and ICT are tools that empower teachers. We begin with an overview of the role of ICT in higher education, specifically within the framework of the National Education Policy 2020. This mind map illustrates the vast landscape of information and communication technology, or ICT. It categorizes tools and concepts related to retrieving, displaying, transmitting, storing, creating, processing, and collaborating using ICT. NEP 2020 outlines a vision for a digitally empowered and future-ready university ecosystem. This is achieved through pillars like digital infrastructure, ICT-enabled pedagogy, and flexible curriculum, aiming for increased GER and a skilled workforce. ICT is integrated across the core activities of higher education: learning, teaching, research, and extension. This integration promotes student-centered, data-driven, and outreach-focused educational models. Focusing on learning, ICT enables a student-centered, anytime, anywhere approach. Key components include MOOCs, virtual labs, adaptive learning, and the academic bank of credits, allowing learners to access top institutions globally. MOOCs and self-paced learning are vital. Key platforms like SWAYAM and NPTEL offer credit-eligible courses. The NEP 2020 supports this with up to 40% online credit limits, academic bank of credits, and flexible entry/exit options. Virtual labs and simulations, such as IIT Virtual Labs and PHET, provide immersive and remote-triggered experiences. They offer pedagogical value like fail-safe practice and access equity, though challenges like bandwidth and faculty training exist. The Academic Bank of Credits, or ABC, allows students to store, transfer, and redeem earned credits across institutions, supporting flexible, lifelong learning and multiple exit options. It is crucial for credit portability. A core problem in the ABC system is credit standardization, lacking uniform definitions and grading scales across institutions. The UGC framework attempts to solve this, but practical challenges in conversion mechanisms and different course types persist. Adaptive and personalized learning uses AI in a continuous feedback loop, analyzing learner data to adapt content difficulty and providing instant, targeted feedback. This leads to benefits like early intervention and self-paced mastery, although data privacy is a challenge. Digital libraries, open educational resources (OER), and collaborative tools are key for online learning. Platforms like Shodganga and SWAYAM Prabha offer diverse digital resources, fostering deep engagement and research skills. Digital libraries offer online collections, while OER provides freely licensed teaching materials. Major Indian platforms include InflibNet and NDLI. The NEP 2020 mandates multilingual OER and equity for disadvantaged learners, despite challenges like low awareness. Digital libraries and OER, aligned with NEP 2020, ensure equitable access to quality education regardless of location. The focus is on making national platforms and OER content widely available, including interactive simulations and open datasets. This table lists collaborative tools and platforms used in higher education, their type, and best uses. They span learning management systems like Moodle, communication tools like Microsoft Teams, and India-specific platforms like Diksha. Collaborative tools are essential for student online learning. They are categorized by function, such as communication, document sharing, and project management. Google Workspace and Microsoft Teams are major platforms. Collaborative tools for student online learning are categorized into various types. This includes LMS platforms, video conferencing, wikis, and India-specific tools like Diksha and SWAYAM forums, promoting both synchronous and asynchronous learning. We see a detailed map of ICT tools for learning in higher education, segmented into 6 main categories: learning management systems, communication, content creation, collaboration, assessment and feedback, and research and reference. The cone of learning illustrates how retention improves with active participation. We tend to remember 10% of what we read, but 90% of what we say and do, emphasizing the value of hands-on and interactive learning methods. Bloom's digital taxonomy applies digital tools to cognitive skills, moving from lower-order skills like remembering to higher-order skills like creating. This integration enhances engagement and critical thinking in education. Next, let's look at the integration of ICT in teaching, which supports flipped classrooms, blended learning, and teaching large classes. It also addresses the critical need for training faculty in digital pedagogy. A comprehensive approach to digital pedagogy involves using ICT for content creation, interactive assessment, and engaging instruction. This includes adopting tools for video recording and interactive quizzes. Professional development for teachers is vital. Resources like FutureLearn and specialized courses offer training in digital skills, content creation, and leveraging ICT tools for effective teaching.